In this video, I'll show you how to create a Dropbox account. So open up your Dropbox. What you need to do, click on this continue with this Google. That is the first option. So I'm going to click on mine. It's going to load up now. So I'm going to select the mail I love to use for this. I'm going to click on sign in. I'll click on continue. So I just selected the mail I would love to use for this. So I'm using the for test tutorials, right? So this is it, create a Dropbox account. So I'm using this mail for just tutorial and educational purposes. So I'm going to click on agree and continue. So it's going to create my account. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the very next video. So we are good to go. This is our Dropbox account.